I'm Master Will, your 43-year-old basshead, Team SKAR Audio Captain, Team Second Skin Audio, Team No Wall. This is my Man Cave Audio Shop, and this is my 1999 Toyota 4Runner SR5 Rolling Thunder. It's got 4 SKAR Audio ZVX V215s in the rear, powered by 4 SKAR Audio SKAR SKv2-4500.1s, strapped and game matched at 1 ohm because of the D1s. In the doors, I got 4 SKAR Audio PAX 6.5-inch mid-range speakers along with 2 SPX tweeters. Both of the sets are being powered by 2 SKAR Audio LP 80.4s. Up on the hood is a single 350 amp alternator. My batteries, an AGM31 on the hood. In the rear is 2 full throttle AGM34s, a JY 45 amp hour lithium, a limitless 7 amp hour lithium. My head unit is a Kenwood eXelon head unit. I got a Clarion EQS746 Cartel bass knob, Stinger voltmeter, and an audio control Overdrive line driver for my sub amps. Right now I'm doing 156.3 decibels sit on the dash at 35 hertz. Door open is 157.9 decibels at 43 hertz, and the kick I'm doing 159.0 decibels at 43 hertz. Bass life. My power and grind wire through the truck is Kicker Hyperflex and Sky High Cardio OFC. The whole truck has got layers and layers and layers of Second Skin Audio Amplifier Pro. I'm married with kids, grandkids, stepkids. I'm a full-time telephone man Monday through Friday. Audio is my escape. Bass is bass. Many brands, one love. Spend your money what you want to spend your money on. Don't worry about what people say about what you run. I like bass, I love audio. I don't care what you got. Period. Do what you do. Enjoy what you do. Have a good time. It's just music. It's just a beat. Just chill. Give demos, get demos. Enjoy your music. No matter what anybody says. I got a shop full of trophies for running SKAR all these years. But people talk trash every day. That don't change what I do. They can talk all they want to. I got a shop full of awards for my hard work and accolades, no matter what they say. Take it from me. Do you, enjoy yourself, and just chill. I'm Master Will. Later.